Hi and welcome to Samarth Academy. Today we will be doing the chapter Some Applications of Trigonometry, that is of Class 10 CBSE. Before starting the chapter, you should know some basics of trigonometry. In the basics of trigonometry, you should know the trigonometric ratios. Let's consider that right angle triangle ABC. Angle A is acute with respect to angle A. Sine A is opposite by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Tan A is BC by AB respectively. We should also know the relation between trigonometric ratios so that if you find one ratio, it will be easy for you to find the other ratios. Sine and cosec are reciprocals, cos and sec are reciprocal. Tan and cot are reciprocal. Also the relation tan is equal to sine by cos and cot is equal to cos by sine. The specific angles 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degree. You should remember for the ratios sine, cos and tan. To remember this, it's very easy. You have a short trick, write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide all of them by 4 and take root. So you will get 0 by 4, that is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. These are the values of sine. And if you want to go for cos, go it in reverse order. And tan is sine by cos. Line of sight is often used in applications of trigonometry. So what is line of sight? The line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of the observer to the object. This is line of sight. The terms often used are angle of elevation and depression. If the observer is standing at bottom and looking at the top, then the angle made by the line of sight and the horizontal line is angle of elevation. Whereas if the observer is at the top and the object is at the bottom, then the angle made by the horizontal line and the line of sight is the angle of depression. So let's start with the exercise 9.1. Meter long, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole in the ground. Find the height of the pole. The height of the pole is AB. So first of all, we have to write what is given. Here given is AC is equal to 20 meter and the angle is ACB, that is 30 degrees, which is the angle of elevation. Here why did we choose sine? See, he is asking AB, which is opposite side with respect to 30 degrees and hypotenuse is given, which is 20 meters. And the trigonometric ratio that is relating the opposite side and hypotenuse is sine. So we are using sine. Sine 30 is AB by AC, that is nothing but 1 by 2 is equal to H by 20 and hence H is equal to 10 meter. The pole length is 10 meter. A tree breaks. Question 2. A tree breaks due to a storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground. So let us consider this as the tree. If it breaks over here, it will fall down. And he is saying it is making an angle 30 degree with it. It is making 30 degree with the ground. And he is asking find the height of the tree. Basically, this is the height of the tree. So here is our diagram. Angle ACB is equal to 30 degrees, BC is equal to 8 meter. So for finding the height of the tree, we should find the opposite side as well as the hypotenuse. For opposite side, we have adjacent side. So what is the ratio that is related? Tan 30 is equal to x by 8. Tan 30 ka value is 1 by root 3 is equal to x by 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8 by root 3. And for finding y, which is hypotenuse, the ratio related with hypotenuse and adjacent side is cos. So cos 30 degree is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 is equal to 8 by y. So what is y? Y is equal to cross multiply 8 into 2 by root 3. That is 16 by root 3. Hence, the height of the tree is equal to x plus y, which is nothing but 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3, that is 24 by root 3. Now, here we cannot keep the irrational number in the denominator. So what we will do, we will rationalize the denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3. Hence we get 24 root 3 by 3. So we'll cancel this. 3 ones are, 3 8s are. Hence 8 root 3 is the height of the tree. 8 root 3 meters. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in the park. For the children below the age of 5 years, this is the slide which is at a height of 1.5 meter and it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for the elder children, she wants a steeper one which is a height 3 meters which is inclined at 60 degree. So these are the diagrams. So what he is asking, what should be the length of the slide in each case? So consider here, angle is 30 degree, opposite side is given, hypotenuse is asked. So what is that? That relates opposite and hypotenuse. Sine 30 degree is equal to x by, it's 1.5 by x. Opposite by hypotenuse, sine 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to 1.5 by x. Cross multiply. Hence, x is equal to 3 meters. The slide for the smaller children is 3 meters. And similarly for the slide, this slide what we have, sine 60 is equal to 3 by y. Sine 60 ka value is root 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by y. Find the value of y. Y is equal to 6 by root 3 meters. We can rationalize this. Y is equal to 6 by root 3. Numerator and denominator should be multiplied by root 3. This becomes 6 root 3. By root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 root 3 meters. Hence the slides are 3 meters and 2 root 3 meters. Question 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the point on the ground, which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. Okay, so let this be the tower and this is the ground level. It is 30 meters away and he is saying the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So let's draw the diagram properly. And here this is the diagram. What is asked? Height of the tower is asked, which is opposite side. What is given? Adjacent side is given. So tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent side. Value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 30. Therefore, h is equal to 30 by root 3. Again, the denominator has irrational number, so rationalize. 30 root 3 by 3. On cancellation, you will get the height of the tower is 10 root 3 meters. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Okay. So here is the kite which is flying at the height of 60 meter. The string attached to it is temporarily tied to the playground. Okay. The inclination made is 60 degrees. Find the length of the string. So this is the string. Assuming that there is no slack in the string. So what is asked? Let the triangle be ABC. AC is asked. Let the AC be X. Opposite side is given. Hypotenuse is asked. What is the trigonometric ratio? Sine 60 degree is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2 equal to 60 by x. Therefore, x is equal to 120 by root 3. We know irrational number shouldn't be in the denominator, so rationalize. Hence, we get 120 by root 3 by 3. So, 3 ones are 40 root 3 is the answer. So 40 root 3 meter is the length of the string. Let's go to question 6. A 1.25 meter standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree when he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So what we need to find? We need to find DE. What is DE? DE is DF minus EF. So for finding DF and EF, we need to consider the two triangles. Let us consider first the smaller triangle. In triangle, let us mark this as 1. In triangle AEF, tan 60 is equal to, see, we want AF. AF is 30 minus 1.5, that is 28.5. Opposite is 28.5 by EF. Tan 60 is root 3. Hence, our EF becomes 28.5 by root 3. Mark this as 2. Okay, so we got EF. Now, in the bigger triangle, that is triangle ADF. In triangle ADF, what happens? Tan 30 is equal to AF, that is 28.5 by DF. This implies DF is equal to tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 28.5 into root 3. DF is equal to 28.5 root 3. So we will find this DE. DE is equal to DF, that is 28.5 root 3 minus EF, which is 28.5 by root 3. So 28.5, take LCM. 28.5 root 3 is the LCM. So this becomes root 3 into root 3, 3. And here it is 1. So I took 28.5 common. So that is 57. 28.5 into 2 is 57 by root 3. Rationalize it. You can get 57 by root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. So what we get here? 57 by root 3 by 3. This goes with 19. Hence, the answer is 19 root 3 meters. This is the distance walked by the boy. Question 7. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top and the bottom. Okay, let's see the diagram and then explain here. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower. This is the transmission tower that is fixed on the building, and the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of the tower are 60 degree and 45 degree. So you have to find the height of the tower. Height of the tower is AB. What is AB? AB is AC minus BC. BC is 20. So it is AC minus 20. So we need to find AC. So let's start with the smaller triangle, that is in triangle BCD, tan 45 equal to BC by CD, which is nothing but 1 is equal to BC by CD. BC is given as 20 by CD. Therefore, CD is equal to 20. Once we get CD, then we will take the bigger triangle, which is the bigger triangle. In bigger triangle ABD, bigger triangle ACD, what we have, tan 60 is equal to AC by CD. CD we found as 20. So root 3 is equal to AC by CD. Therefore, AC is equal to 20 root 3. Okay, so what we said here, AB is AC minus 20 That is 20 root 3 minus 20. Take 20 common. Root 3 minus 1. This is the answer. We can also put the value of root 3, that is 1.732, and then get the actual answer, or we can also keep it this way. This is the height of the transmission tower AB. Question 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. This question also goes in the same way. This is the pedestal and the statue is standing over here. Okay, and the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the pedestal, this is the angle of elevation of the pedestal, this is the angle of elevation of the statue from the same point. So this goes with the figure, and he's asking find the height of the pedestal. So BC is equal to question mark. So now what we know that, consider triangle. In triangle BCD, tan 45 is equal to BC by CD. So this implies BC is equal to CD. Consider triangle ACD. Tan 60 is equal to AC by CD. See, we need to find BC. What we will do, we'll replace CD by BC. So what do we have? Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AC by BC. What is AC? AC is 1.6 plus BC by BC. So frame a formula for BC and solve for that. So what do we have? Root 3 BC equal to 1.6 plus BC. Take BC on one side. So what I get? Root 3 minus 1 BC equal to 1.6, or BC is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. Here we can rationalize the denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3 plus 1. In the denominator, we have root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 is a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, which is a minus b, that is 3 minus 1, which is 2. And 1.6 goes with 2, it becomes 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. This is the height of the pedestal, these many meters. Question 9. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. Okay, so CD is tower and AB is building. So what he is asking here, if the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. So there are two triangles given. AB is asked. First, let's consider triangle BCD. With the help of BCD, I'll find CD. Tan 60 equal to opposite side, that is 50 meters, by BC. Therefore, BC equal to tan 60 is root 3, so 50 by root 3. So mark it as 1. We will use it for the other triangle. In triangle ABC, tan 30 degrees is equal to AB by BC. What is BC? Okay, first let us write what is tan 30. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by BC we found as 50 by root 3. So therefore, AB is equal to 1 by root 3 into 50 by root 3, that is 50 by 3 meters. This is the height of the building. So we'll do the remaining sums in the next class. Bye then, take care, bye.